Every time DJI prepares to launch something new, the internet explodes with leaks, rumors, and endless excitement. And right now, that attention is locked on the DJI Neo2 drone. From possible design changes to camera improvements, from longer flight times to smarter software, the rumors are coming from every corner of the web, and fans are debating day and night about what is real and what is pure fantasy. Some of these leaks seem believable, while others feel too good to be true, but together they paint a picture of one of the most anticipated drone launches in years. The most common rumor is about design, with many sources claiming that the DJI Neo2 will be smaller, lighter, and easier to carry than ever before. Some even suggest it could fold down smaller than the mini series, making it a dream for travelers and creators who want portability without losing power. But a lighter body does not mean weaker construction, as insiders suggest DJI will use stronger, tougher, and more advanced materials for the arms and frame, giving the Neo2 the strength to handle winds and bumps while staying easy to transport. This blend of portability and durability could make it the perfect middle ground between casual drones and professional gear, a sweet spot that DJI has been trying to master for years. Of course, when talking about drones, the camera always steals the spotlight, and the rumors about the Neo2's camera are wild. Many leaks suggest that the Neo2 could feature a brand new sensor, possibly even a full 1-inch sensor, which would be a massive step forward for photo and video quality. A larger sensor would mean sharper details, brighter colors, smoother shadows, and outstanding low-light performance, opening creative possibilities that smaller drones simply cannot match. Some rumors even say the drone might record in 6K, giving creators cinema-quality video in a compact device. Imagine professional-level aerial shots from a drone that can fit into your backpack. This is exactly the kind of leap forward people are expecting. Alongside the improved camera, many believe stabilization will also be upgraded, allowing smoother, more stable footage even in windy conditions, which would make the Neo2 appealing to both hobbyists and professionals. But what good is a powerful camera if you don't have enough time in the air to use it? That is why flight time has become one of the most discussed topics about this drone. Leaks suggest that the Neo2 could fly for up to 40 minutes or even more, which would be a huge leap from the typical 30 minutes offered by most drones in its class. Longer flight time means more creative freedom, less stress about landing, and more opportunities to capture the perfect shot. DJI may achieve this through more efficient motors, smarter power management, and new battery technology. And if these claims prove true, then the Neo2 could set a new standard in flight endurance. Another area of speculation is artificial intelligence, with some insiders hinting at next-generation smart features that could make flying easier and more intuitive than ever before. People are talking about AI-powered subject tracking that not only follows but also predicts movement, chooses angles, and avoids obstacles in real time. There are even whispers about possible voice control, where the pilot could simply tell the drone to follow, hover, or record. While that might sound futuristic, DJI has a history of surprising users with advanced features, and such updates could make the Neo2 the smartest drone on the market. Speaking of safety, obstacle avoidance is another hot rumor. Many leaks suggest the Neo2 will come with full 360-degree obstacle sensors, not just on the front and bottom, but on all sides, making the drone nearly crash-proof in most situations. With such a system, pilots could fly through forests, city streets, or tight spaces with far less worry, giving both beginners and professionals the confidence to fly boldly. Transmission strength is also part of the buzz, with some leaks suggesting the Neo2 could reach up to 20 kilometers of range. While most users will never fly that far, the real benefit is stability, smoother video feeds, fewer dropouts, and stronger connections, even in crowded areas filled with signal interference. For creators, this could mean more reliable shoots, and for explorers, more freedom to fly farther without worry. Other smaller but exciting rumors include faster charging batteries that could allow you to get back into the air much quicker, possibly charging most of the capacity in a short period, which would be a huge win for creators who move between multiple locations in a single day. And then, of course, there's the price. Predictions are all over the place. Some believe DJI will aim for around $999, keeping the Neo2 premium but still more affordable than high-end professional models. Others think that if DJI includes all these rumored upgrades, a larger sensor, 6K video, longer flight time, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance, then the price could rise above $1,200 or even $1,300. DJI usually tries to balance power with affordability, so the final price remains a mystery, but fans are already debating whether it will be worth it. The release date is another mystery, with some insiders claiming a late-year launch, possibly in November, to target the holiday market, while others predict the first quarter of next year, giving DJI more time for production and refinement. Until the company makes an official statement, nobody knows for sure, but the speculation keeps building excitement. Finally, many wonder where the Neo 2 will sit in DJI's lineup. Some argue it might replace the Mini Pro line, offering more features in a similar size, while others believe it will carve out a brand new category positioned between the Mini and Air series. Either way, if even half these leaks turn out true, the Neo 2 will cause a major shakeup in the drone world. What makes all of this even more fascinating is how the community reacts to every leak, with forums, social media groups, and YouTube channels filled with endless debates about what matters most. Some people argue flight time is the key. Others care only about camera quality, while many believe smarter AI and obstacle avoidance will truly change the game by making drones easier and safer for everyone. This mix of excitement, doubt, and curiosity is what keeps the hype alive. At the end of the day, all these rumors combine into one idea: that the DJI Neo 2 could be the most exciting compact drone ever created. Smaller yet stronger, smarter yet easier, with a camera powerful enough to rival professional gear, the Neo 2 might just become the dream drone for creators everywhere. Of course, we have to remind ourselves that until DJI officially reveals the product, these are just leaks, guesses, and hopeful dreams. But if even a few of these rumors come true, then we are about to see something very special. So what do you think? Which rumored feature excites you the most: the camera, the flight time, the AI, or the obstacle avoidance? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this full breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. The DJI Neo 2 may be just around the corner, and when it arrives, the drone world might never be the same again.